In this video, we're going to show you how to fix if your AirPods won't connect to your iPhone. So there are two ways to do this, to fix this. The first of which is to reset your Bluetooth connection from your AirPods to your iPhone. And to begin, what you want to do, of course, is go to the settings app on your iPhone and then tap on Bluetooth. In Bluetooth, look for the AirPod that's connected and tap on it. In that AirPod, tap on forget this device. You can see it pretty much there. So if that doesn't work, you might want to try to update your iOS device. So outdated software can sometimes cause connectivity issues. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS by going to settings. And in settings, you want to click on general. In general, tap on software update. And then under software update, you have to make sure that automatic updates is on, so that your iPhone is always up to date from the latest iOS update. So pretty much it. It's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.